Welcome to syZERO. This is our beautiful home. It's a 1974 built Hudson Force 50. Our life happens outside, and we love to be out there, on the ocean. We brought Zero back to life, and in return she brings us to all the beautiful places on our journey to sail the world. So come on board and sail with us. Aloha.
I could go in the dark, I see you calling my name. I hear you shouting, hear you calling, but it's not the same. Every word that you're throwing right into my back doesn't matter to me, cause I'm keeping my track. Let me go, let me go, let me go. Stop talking, let me go.
It's Friday, June 10th. 5th day at sea. We had good wind, almost 20 knots all the time since I left Honolulu, and we are really fast. The sea is really calm today. It was big a couple of days before. Damn, we were bouncing around. And haven't seen any ships or anything else yet. No floating debris. That's good. And yeah, it's still a long passage, long distance from here. I think we made around a quarter now. Everything you touch is salty. Sometimes you can really wipe the salt off the rail here. Sails are balanced, so Zero's holding her course on her own. I don't use the rudder. It is getting colder, I can feel it. When I left Honolulu we had around 30-degree air temperature and almost 30-degree water temperature as well, 29. Now we are down to 26 air and 24 sea. And we are coming close to the Pacific High, and I guess after that the temperatures will fall very fast. So it's time to look for the warm clothes, I guess. Maybe tomorrow.
I felt the knife in my hand and she left no more. Bye, 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 Delilah.
After I had Tchaikovsky yesterday morning, he pulled me down very quick. I decided to have some more happy music today. It worked.
Ich dachte, vorbei, das ist vorbei. Du tust mir weh. Ich muss weinen, wenn ich dich sehe.
It looks like they're getting ripe all at the same time. Damn. And he's providing me with so good energy. That was definitely a good buy. And it's so quiet, unbelievable. The old one was so noisy. Oh wow, what a great day so far. Finished my book in the morning and I made some very nice banana pancakes. And I was just finishing the pancakes where a big school of dolphins came to the boat and said hello. Now I decided to fire up the engine to heat up some water, so I will have a shower. And this marks pretty much the middle of the passage from Honolulu to Kodiak. So I think it's time to get clean, and it's not getting warmer, it's getting colder every day. It's actually nice now, but it's overcast. I'm very close to the center of the Pacific High. My barometer shows 1040. I haven't been into high pressure like this before. I mean, I don't feel any difference. Temperature is around 20 degrees Celsius and water temperature is below 20 degrees now. So it's getting colder. We just passed a big fleet of Portuguese galleons, Portuguese man o' wars. They are sailing around here, and I remember when Rebecca and me were surfing in Kihei, we had to paddle back to the boat. We paddled through a fleet of Portuguese man o' wars as well. Got stung, and today was a late revenge. We capsized a couple of them and ran over them. We are even now. I'm on the water since 7 days now. It's Monday again. I left last Monday. I had a rough start I didn't feel well the first 2 days, then I went down into the engine room and I got seasick. I had to clean the bilge. There was again diesel coming from my starboard tank. But the reason why I felt not really well before, I just figured out, is I think I kind of poisoned myself with these confessions of a solar sailor go for over 21 minutes. It's way too much to put it into this video here, but I thought it may be a good idea to say thanks to all of our patrons, and yeah, maybe, you know, convince you to join the club. So I will put this 21-minute video uncut on Patreon. I'm talking about my feelings, my personal emotions, what I think being alone on the ocean, sailing solo, no one else there. So yeah, it would be really nice if you join the club and watch it, and yeah, let me know what you think about it. Aloha. Say hello to the Pacific High. Niente, nada, nichts. Take down some sails, eh?
bananas I got from John's garden got ripe all at the same time, so I needed to harvest them. I put around 50 bananas into the freezer. My idea is to make some banana ice cream out of them. But the freezer is full of tuna, so I have no more room for the other bananas.
Du brauchst sie nicht verstecken, ich habe die sowieso schon gesehen. Na, das glaube ich, dass die kalt ist. Komm her. Komm her.
I found a little blind passenger between the bananas. A little lizard.
Einkrabbel, mein Freund. I'm so sorry to kidnap you. You had a wonderful garden living in.
I named him LK for Lizard King and built him a little kingdom in an old pretzel container. I so hope he survives the test. It's getting cold.
Good morning. June 15. The wind is coming up slowly. Just killed the engine. It's kind of misty, foggy. First fog or whatever. Pretty much around us. Checks the radar. This would be the scariest thing. Just see a huge big container ship coming out of there. Just way too close. But radar sees nothing. Doing around 5 knots. Pencil, the wind is a little breezy, going up from 6 to 8, sometimes 9 knots. But enough to sail. Up, running under engine for more than 24 hours, I guess. I tried to sail in between a couple times, but when it goes down to 3-4 knots of wind, Zero isn't moving. I mean, she just needs a little wind. It's way better than I thought. I always thought under 10 she's not moving at all, but yeah, 5 knots. It's okay, we're moving slowly. As long as she can hold the course, then everything is good. But not having enough pressure on the rudder, and it's not enough pressure in the sails to balance them. So it's just not working. Then I need the engine. But see what happens. Second part, first day of the second part, and we have fog, misty rain. But the nice thing is, I mean, we're doing 5 knots and the boat isn't moving at all. And yesterday night, oh my God, we had a moment with some wind, and the sea was completely glassy. It was like sailing in a cup of water. That was beautiful. I couldn't film it; it was too dark. But that was nice. Really, really nice. I try to keep it warm a little here.
What's next on syZERO? I still got you hanging on the Radio Zero. It's coming. Still no command. I'm trying to bake a banana bread out of the bananas, I think. With every mile I'm sailing north, it's getting colder and colder. And I finally see land. Ahoy, Alaska.
And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. The next video is coming soon. Promise. I really enjoy it out here. except maybe some company. But the videos always just can scrape on the surface a little. It's really not time for 21 minutes to go into the deep emotions. But if you want to see the deep emotions, you can do it. Sign up for Patreon and you get the 21-minute completely uncut with everything I have to say. I said maybe some weird stuff in this, but yeah, I give you a brief idea how I feel in the middle of the ocean, far away from any life, from any land, and after a week being alone. So check it out. Aloha.